Good morning. It is Sunday and I'm starting this week off by heading home. I'm leaving the woods. I have spent the past week just crawling around in the woods, enjoying myself, camping, seeing stuff I haven't seen before, everywhere from northern Georgia up through North Carolina, Tennessee, and Virginia. Just what I like to do with my time off when I'm not fishing. And this was the last opportunity I will probably have until the fall to do this for a couple of reasons. One being that this coming up weekend is Memorial Day weekend, so that's really going to kick off the fishing season. Kids are graduating school. It's about to get busy with fishing, so I'll be down there in Destin fishing, living that life, having a good old time. Fast forward another entire week. It's now been a full week since I got back from my trip to the woods, and I haven't done any kind of charter fishing whatsoever. And that's not because there hasn't been charter fishing trips available. To be completely honest with you, I've had a lot going on with family, graduation, family in town, things like that, a lot of things going on. So I basically just told the powers that be, the folks that handle the scheduling for me, I told them, look, I can fish if necessary, if I need to get out there and do it. However, put me very low on the priority list. Put me low in the rotation. Feed the other guys. Let the other guys fish. And they have been. They've been out fishing, but I've been lucky enough that I've had enough freedom to enjoy graduation and family affairs and all that kind of stuff over this past week. But here it is. It's Memorial Day. Today is Memorial Day. And I'm about to start getting busy with charter fishing. I've already got quite a few things on the calendar starting tomorrow. Unfortunately, the weather forecast looks very questionable for the foreseeable future, but I don't trust the forecast as far as what I can see in the sky. Right now it's horrible. Nobody was able to fish today. Been raining all day, super windy this morning. The wind has laid down. I'm just hoping that this weather system gets out of here earlier than they predicted, and maybe we can get out there and get started fishing tomorrow. But I'm in the back room at my house and getting things ready for charters coming up. Normally I would do this stuff down at the marina, but with it raining, and I'm sure the restaurant down there is just absolutely packed, being a rainy day on a holiday weekend. Here I am, I'm at the house, and I'm just gonna start getting stuff rigged up for this week, trying to get prepared. It's always an adjustment, shifting gears, at least it is for me. It's a very, very seasonal job, so for about 5 or 6 months, it's pretty heavy, and that's my life. I am basically married to charter fishing, and it's not all that bad. I mean, there's a lot to do. There's always something to do. Whether I'm charter fishing on any given day or not, there's always something that I am doing, fishing related. Something at the marina, loading a bait trap, going to catch bait, icing something down, doing all that kind of stuff. There's something to be done every day, whether I'm charter fishing or not. So it keeps me very, very busy. It's like I said, it's always an adjustment getting into, like, putting it into that gear. I like to just kind of go out and recreate out in the woods. I do a lot of just traveling, off-roading, camping, spending time just out enjoying the outdoors in the woods when I'm not fishing. But now that the fishing season's upon me, this will be my life. This is what I'll be doing. So it's always just a little bit of an adjustment to get to shift gears. I always am like, man, I just wish I could keep doing what I'm doing forever. But then as soon as I get out on the water, it never fails. As soon as I get back into the rhythm of charter fishing, I'm like, yes, this is what I want to do. This is it. You know, it's like the law of physics that an object in motion stays in motion. And that's sort of how it works. I just want to keep fishing, and then I keep the ball rolling, and I really want to do that. And then by the time I'm done fishing for the season, or mostly done, and I'm getting ready to go back out in the woods, I'm like, man, I just want to keep fishing, you know, until I get in the woods. And then it's like, oh, okay, this is my happy place. This is where I want to be, or where I want to be. So either way, variety is the spice of life. So I like to mix it up, change it up. But I'm shifting gears right now. I'm getting back in to the mentality of charter fishing, making a living, you know, making enough of an income to go play in the woods in the off season. So here I am. Today I am just getting stuff rigged up, cleaned up. I've got to get my knives, my filet knives sharpened, stuff like that. and then I'll just carry all this stuff down to the marina tomorrow, which put me a little bit behind. I like to have this stuff out there the night before, but I'm gonna get all this stuff rigged up right now. So there is a lot to do every single day, whether I'm charter fishing or not. More days than not, I am charter fishing just about every single day, at least through the summertime. But there's always something to be done on the off days, before charters, after charters. I spend a lot of time preparing for every charter, wrapping up from every charter, and getting ready for the following one. But it's really not all that bad once I get into the rhythm of the season, because it's like the old saying goes, if you stay ready, you never have to get ready. All right, guys, I know this was just a really short, brief update, but I haven't really been doing any kind of fishing, so there hasn't been much of anything to show you, but that's all about to change. So if you're interested in seeing more behind the scenes life of a fishing guide, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.